Myself Nimisha Patel from Electrical Department of Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. I deliver a video lecture on Power System 2, Chapter 1st, Basic Principles. Its flow of contents: balance three-phase voltage source, balance three-phase load, balance star-star connections, relation between phase and line electrical quantity in star-star connections. In previous lecture, we studied about star and delta connection and relation between phase voltage, phase current with line voltage and line current respectively. Today, I explain about three-phase star or delta connected source and three-phase star and delta connected load. Now, three-phase voltage source produce three voltages which are equal in magnitude but out of phase by 120 degree. In previous lecture we studied about three-phase balance system. So here we take sources which have same magnitude, so it's called balance source, and its phase difference each other also same. A typical three-phase system consists of three-phase voltage sources connected to load by 3 or 4 wire according to transmission lines. Means if transmission line have 3 phase 3 wire, then sources have 3 wires, and if transmission line have 3 phase 4 wire, then sources have 4 wire. The voltage source can be either star or delta connected. Now the sources can be star connected as shown in figure A, and delta connected as shown in figure B. Now I explain about star connected source. The phase voltage of star connected source are VAN, VBN and VCN are called phase voltages. Here we consider the source is balanced. So voltage source have same magnitude and frequency and are out of phase with each other by 120 degree. So here VAN plus VBN plus VCN is equal to 0, means summation of all phase voltages is 0 and magnitude is same. So magnitude of VAN is equal to magnitude of VBN is equal to magnitude of VCN. Balanced phase voltages are equal in magnitude and are out of phase with each other by 120 degree. Now there are two possible combinations, ABC or positive sequence, and next is ACB or negative sequence. Now we take first ABC or positive sequence and see what happens. Phase sequence ABC. So here magnitude of VAN is first maximum, then VBN and last VCN. And so here take VAN is reference. So VAN is equal to VP with angle 0, where VP is the RMS value of phase voltage. Now VBN is equal to VP with angle minus 120 degree. And VCN is equal to VP and angle minus 240 or VP and angle plus 120 degree. Here angle minus 120 and minus 240 because vector rotation is anti-clockwise direction. So diagram or vector diagram of all phase voltages are seen in figure A. So here take second case ABC, phase sequence ABC or positive ACB or negative sequence. So here VAN is equal to VP and angle 0, VCN is equal to VP and angle minus 120, VBN is equal to VP and angle minus 240. Or VP and angle plus 120 degree. Its vector diagram is shown in figure B. Now in both cases, VAN plus VBN plus VCN is equal to 0 because of balance system, and magnitude of VAN is equal to magnitude of VBN is equal to magnitude of VCN. So here VAN plus VBN plus VCN is equal to VP and angle 0 degree plus VP and angle minus 120 degree plus VP and angle 120 degree. In here, summation of all phase voltages in polar form. Now convert polar form into rectangular form. So here, how we polar form convert to rectangular form? VP and angle 0. So here we write the VP cos 0 plus JVP sin 0. Okay. So here VP cos 0 is equal to 1 and sin 0 is equal to 0. So here VP. Okay. Now VP with angle minus 120 degree is convert rectangular form. VP cos minus 120 degree plus JVP sin minus 120 degree. So here VP with angle minus 120 degree is equal to 0.5 minus J 0.866. Okay. And next is VP with angle 120 degree, polar form to rectangular form, 0.5 plus J 0.866. Okay. So here we take common VP 1.0 minus 0.5 minus J 0.866 minus 0.5 plus J 0.866. So here summation is 0. Now we study about three-phase load. A three-phase load can be either star connected as shown in figure A and delta connected as shown in figure B. The neutral line in figure A may or may not be there depending on whether the system is 3-phase 3-wire or 3-phase 4-wire. A star or delta connected load is said to be unbalanced if the phase impedance are not equal in magnitude or phase, and in balanced load, magnitudes and phase of phase impedance are equal. Okay, for a balanced star connected load, Z1 is equal to Z2 is equal to Z3 is equal to Z star. For a balanced delta connected, ZA is equal to ZB is equal to ZC is equal to Z delta. And relation between star and delta impedance, Z delta is equal to 3 Z star, or Z star is equal to 1 by 3 Z delta. Okay. Since both the three-phase source and the three-phase load can be either star or delta connected, there are 4 possible connections. First is star connection, means star connected source with a star connected load, and star delta connections means star connected source with a delta connected load. Third is star connections, means delta connected source with a star connected load, and last is delta connections, means delta connected source with a delta connected load. Okay, now take a first option, star connections. A balanced star system is a three-phase system with a balanced star connected source and a balanced star connected load. For balanced 4-wire star system, zy is equal to zs plus zl plus z capital L. Now here zy is the total load impedance and zs is the source impedance, z small l is the line impedance and z capital L is the load impedance for each phase, and Zn is the impedance of neutral line. Here we see the diagram Zs, Z small l, Z capital L and Zn. Okay. Now here assuming the positive sequence, the phase voltage is VAN. VAN is equal to VP with angle 0 degree. So VBN is equal to VP with angle minus 120 degree and VCN is equal to VP with angle plus 120 degree. Now the line to line voltages or line voltages VAB, VBC and VCA are related to the phase voltages. So first we take VAB. VAB is equal to VAN plus VNB. We see in diagram. So VAN plus VNB, we rewrite this equation as VAN minus VNB. So here put the value of VAN and VNB. VP with angle 0 degree minus VP with angle minus 120 degree. Now this equation is in polar form. Let's convert rectangular form. VP cos 0 plus j VP sin 0 minus VP cos minus 120 degree minus j VP sin minus 120 degree. Here we take VP as common in the bracket. Cos 0 is equal to 1. So 1 plus sin 0 is equal to 0 minus cos minus 120 degree, that means that value is minus 1/2 minus sin minus 120 degree. So here we write the minus √3/2. So equation become VAB is equal to VP in bracket 1 plus 1/2 plus √3/2. So here equation become VP is equal to 3/2 plus j √3/2. Now we find the magnitude. That means square root of 3/2 square plus square root of √3/2 square. Okay. So here we have a value of square root of 12/4. That means square root of 3. Okay. Now we find the angle. Find the tan inverse y by x. Here y is √3/2 and x is 3/2. Okay. So here find the angle tan inverse y by x. That means √3/2 into 2/3. That means tan inverse 1/√3 is equal to 30 degree. So here VAB means line voltage is equal to √3 of phase voltage with angle 30 degree. Same as VBC is equal to VBN minus VCN is equal to √3 phase voltage with angle minus 90 degree, and VCA is equal to VCN minus VAN is equal to √3 VP with angle minus 210. Okay. The set of line to line voltages leads the set of line to neutral voltages by 30 degree. The relationship between the magnitude of the line voltages VL to the magnitude of the phase voltages VP is VL is equal to root 3 VP. Now VP is equal to VAN is equal to VBN is equal to VCN, and line voltage VL is equal to VAB is equal to VBC and VCA. Now for find the current. Applying KVL to each phase to get IA is equal to VAN divided by ZY. IA in figure we see IA is equal to is across voltage VAN and impedance is ZY. Okay, so IA is equal to VAN divided by ZY. In terms of IA, now we find IB in terms of IA. So IB is equal to VBN divided by ZY is equal to VAN with angle minus 120 degree divided by ZY. Now VAN divided by ZY is equal to IA. So IB is equal to IA with angle minus 120 degree. Same as we find IC, VCN divided by ZY. Now VCN is equal to VAN with angle minus 240 degree. So put the value VAN with angle minus 240 divided by ZY. Now VAN divided by ZY is equal to IA. So IC becomes IA with angle minus 240 degree. Okay. So summation of line current is equal to 0 because of balance system. Now IA plus IB plus IC is equal to 0. Now we find IN. What is IN? IN is a return path. So IN is equal to minus IA plus IB plus IC is equal to 0. Now voltage of neutral current, neutral phase VN N is equal to Zn into In, but In is equal to 0, so VNN is equal to 0. Now in star-star system, we take the single phase in diagrams and we write the IA is equal to VAN divided by ZY. Now we see the example. For 3-phase, 3-wire star-star connected, calculate the line current, the phase voltage across the load VAN, VBN and VCN, the line voltage VAB, VBC and VCA, the voltages VAN, VBN and VCN, the line voltages VAB, VBC and VCA. Now diagrams given, we see in diagram ZL is given is 5 minus J 2 ohm and Z capital L load impedance given 10 plus J 8. Okay, and source voltage sources is VA 110 and angle 0 degree, VB 110 with angle minus 120 degree and VC 110 with angle minus 240 degree. So we find the, as discussed previous, IA is equal to VAN divided by ZA N. Here Now the ZL is equal to 5 minus J 2 ohm and 10 plus J 8 ohm इम्पीडेंस, दोनों इम्पीडेंस सीरीज में है. सो इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस इज इसका एडिशन होगा. सो आई ए इज इक्वल टू 110 with angle 0 degree and summation of impedance is equal to 16.155 with angle 21.8. So divide 110 divided by 16.155. So we have 6.81 ampere current and angle minus 21.8. Okay. Now IB is equal to IA with angle minus 120 degree. So IA becomes 6.81 with angle minus 141.8 and IB C is equal to IC and with angle minus 240. So IC becomes 6.81 with angle minus 261.8 ampere. So phase current and line current both are same 6.81 ampere. Now we find VAN. VAN is equal to I into Z. What is I? 6.81 and Z 10 plus J 8. Okay. So I into Z and angle minus 21.8. So VAN becomes 87.17 and angle 19.86. Now VBN is equal to 87.17 and angle minus 103.14 degree. Same as VCN is equal to 87.17 with angle minus 2 to 3.14 degree. Okay. So here all voltages and currents are same magnitude. Okay. So we say the balanced star-star connection systems. Now questions recover in these sessions is first, explain what is three-phase balance source, explain what is three-phase balance load, what is three-phase star-star connected load, explain and find phase voltage, phase current and line voltage, line current in star-star connected system. In our next lecture we will discuss remaining three systems. Thank you.